Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could turn back the clock just a little? So the laughter in your eyes stays, but the wrinkles around them quietly fade away? Today, I'm sharing a beauty ritual that's older than any of us, yet feels brand new every time you mix it. First, rinse 4 heaping tablespoons of rice until the water runs crystal clear. This washes away hidden dust and unlocks purity. Submerge the clean grains in cool water and let them lounge for an hour. This gentle soak wakes up skin-loving vitamins. Strain through a fine sieve, reserving the cloudy water. That milky liquid is liquid gold, loaded with B vitamins and minerals. Tip the damp rice into a small saucepan. Time to coax out every last nutrient with slow, gentle heat. Measure 250 milliliters of fresh water and pour it over, keeping the recipe precise for perfect, repeatable results. Simmer on the lowest flame. Watch as the grains soften and release a creamy, collagen-like starch. Once tender, blitz with a hand blender until you have a velvety, lump-free rice custard. Press the warm puree through a fine strainer. Patience here gifts you a spa-worthy, silky base. Pour the satin-smooth cream back into the pot. We're about to give it lifting power. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This natural thickener creates a subtle tightening veil on skin. Keep stirring over low heat until it transforms into a rich, lotion-like cream that coats your spoon. Scoop out 4 generous spoonfuls of the cream into a sterile glass bowl. This becomes our beauty concentrate. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed olive oil for deep Mediterranean hydration. Follow with 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, famous for softening fine lines and boosting elasticity. Blend slowly until the oils and cream marry into a glossy, cloud-like emulsion. Finish with a spoonful of Moroccan argan oil, packed with vitamin E for that youthful glow. Stir once more. The mixture should look like silky frosting ready to pamper your skin. With clean fingers or a brush, lavish a thick layer over face and neck, treating every tired line. Massage gently in upward circles. This boosts circulation and helps the nutrients dive deep. Leave the mask on for a relaxing 30 minutes, perfect for a podcast or cup of tea. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat, not rub, your skin dry to seal in softness. Spoon leftovers into a sterile, airtight jar to keep every drop potent. Refrigerate. The cool temperature preserves nutrients and feels heavenly on hot skin. Use 3 evenings a week for visible, cumulative wrinkle-fighting power. Ready for recipe 2? Let's craft a deeper repair blend that floods skin with glow. Start with 2 heaping tablespoons of the rice cream you just prepared. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Its fatty acids plump and cushion tired skin. Stir until the mixture looks silky, with no oily separation. Blend in 1 tablespoon castor oil, renowned for firming saggy areas. Follow with 2 tablespoons pure aloe vera gel, cooling relief plus natural repair enzymes. With the mixture, you'll know it's ready when it feels airy and mousse-like. Transfer to a small jar and chill your own refreshing night cream. Use upward strokes to apply, letting gravity take a break for once. Gently massage for up to 30 minutes. Think of it as a spa night without the price tag. Repeat 3 times a week. Consistent pampering equals consistent glow. Recipe 3 coming up, a featherlight rice water toner to refresh anytime. Grab a cup of that chilled rice water you saved earlier. Add 1 tablespoon almond oil. It brightens dull spots and softens texture. Stir briskly until the oil disperses into a light, milky elixir. Funnel into a sterile spray or dropper bottle for mess-free use. Store in the fridge. Each spritz will feel like a cool morning breeze. Mist after cleansing or dab on as an overnight serum for silky hydration. Apply before bed and wake to pillow soft, plump skin by dawn. Comment below with your country. I adore seeing how far our beauty circle reaches. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and ring the bell for more beauty secrets that truly work.